What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So yeah, apparently I won another giveaway. I apologize in advance. I know I've only been part of the community for a couple months here. I have been following a lot of people for a long time, but as far as being an active part of the community, I was kind of shy at first, but now I'm all out there. Anyways, so yeah, so JB was running another giveaway, doing a Sunday giveaway. Um, I guess I watched the comment video and didn't realize it was a comment video for a giveaway. And I left a comment, something lame like nice scales or some lame comment, but just to let him know I'm watching and enjoying his content. But anyway, so he runs the giveaway on Sunday. I didn't even know it, so I totally missed it. I was at work. Um, he contacts me on Instagram a couple days later and says, "Hey, check out this video. You might want to look at it." So I look at the video. As soon as I start watching, I think, "Oh heck, did I win another thing?" So sure enough, he does the drawing. I win the giveaway. So JB, thank you very much. Big Red EDC rocks. I appreciate this, and all you guys who left positive comments. I know I'm a newbie to the community. I do appreciate the warm comments and the congrats and all that stuff, and the shout outs to Shiro and everything. So thank you guys. So let's get into it. All right. I am truly blessed. I do appreciate it, but let's look at the stickers first. I love stickers. I'm going to start me a sticker wall here soon, but I got a Holy Smokes, Big Red EDC. Very cool. Let's get that there. Got the thumbs up there. And I got two of his logo, Big Red EDC. I'm going to keep one, of course. And when I start doing giveaways, one will go in a giveaway. So I can spread his channel. I mean, his channel is big, way bigger than mine, of course. But just in case you don't have a Big Red EDC sticker, you'll get one. And then, there's that. Then I got the Saturday Night Live, which I always miss because I think he's over on the West Coast and I'm an East Coaster. So it's a little past my bedtime when he does Saturday because I work on Sunday mornings. But anyway, I missed the one he did early this last April 4th, I think it was. I did miss it because life and things happen and I was busy. But I'm gonna catch one eventually, JB. So I'll be there eventually. All right. So let's get into the knife first. And you guys all saw it on the channel, and I do like the scales. I mean, it's a faded canvas looking thing, and he does, he gives you a giveaway, but it's packed like it's new. So you get all the stuff. Got a little card, which I'll keep for specs. Little penguin sticker, little guy there. I like that. Check that out. It's cool. I like that. And a Blade HQ. So I guess I'm not sure if I missed it, but I guess it's a Blade HQ exclusive, but that's cool. I like Blade HQ, do a lot of business with them. And let's pull the knife out of the package. There we go. All right, there it is. And yes, you guys know I love micarta, and this is some nice micarta, man. If you guys don't like it being faded like that, you could probably put some oil on there, but I'm keeping it as is. The natural greases and oils from my hand will alter that, I'm sure, but very nice looking knife. Very nice scales. Love them. Oh, do it one more time. Let's reverse flick that thing. Man. I do love QSP knives. I do own a few, and I'll show them off on my channel here eventually, but there's another one for the collection. Let's feel that blade. Nice and sharp. Good. He didn't dull it up for me, cutting up stuff. Very nice. Jimping on point. You've got a little jimping back there on your right between the scales on the liner. It's a liner lock. Very smooth. See if it drops shut. A little coaxing, but yeah, very nice. Spill around real quick. I mean, you don't need to. It's a QSP. Sorry if I'm preaching for the QSP right now. Everything's very flush. Reversible, open construction, but very nice lanyard hole. The whole 9 yards. Feel the pocket clip. Pretty snug, but that's going to go in your pocket, no problem. It's got that nice lip on there. And the screws come out just a tiny bit, but nothing's going to catch. You got a good white space. Money, dude. This is a nice knife. Man, hopefully someday I'm up there enough where I can do giveaways of some good stuff like this because, giving back to the community like this, JB, thank you so much. You do wonderful things. And just, looking at the spec card. So in case you're wondering, 3-inch blade, 4-inch handle. It's Nitro V. Let me show you that real quick so you don't think I'm lying. Got the Nitro V blade, lanyard hole, blah, blah, blah. Very nice. All right, let's get into this little flashlight here. And this is not even a joke. And I think he even commented when he did the video on this guy that I was going to pick one up. I didn't get to it yet, and thankfully I didn't because I was going to get this model, this color, everything. Because the one you showed on this channel, I fell in love with it right away. I did have an old clip. Gave it to a buddy of mine. He's going to use it for hunting. He likes that red light on there. It's one of the older ones, but this is a newer model, which has the UV, which I used to find this guy's pee. Yeah, he still pees in the house every once in a while. So inside here, I'm sure it's just paperwork and your USB. So I'm not going to pull that out. But yeah, little Shiro does like to pee on the floor sometimes. So this UV light will help me track that down. Oop, everything popped out. There it is. Let's check it out. Yeah, you know what? Let's turn the light off so we can see it for real, for real. And there it is. I think we're pretty bright. Oop, turned it off. All right, lowest setting. Got the medium. Wow. Oh, camera's going funky on me. And that's the highest. And then your turbo. Cool. Refocus. There we go. And what else we got here? Let's go to the red light. Red light is the brightest setting. Dim down a little bit. Pretty cool. And my favorite, UV. Oh, look, got some stars. Highest setting there. Little things from the package, I guess. That's kind of cool. Let's see if anything happens when I shine it on a knife. Actually, it does. Look, it's got some DNA on it, I guess, or whatever. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Nice. So yeah, light works fine. Very neat. I was definitely, like I said, I was going to get this color and everything. The golden black looks super cool. And this will be an EDC for me for sure. I like to just clip it on my pocket, inside and have it when I need it at work or doing whatever. But yeah, that's pretty mean looking right there. I like that. So yeah, I lucked out again. JB, thank you very much. If you guys, I mean, I'm sure all of you guys watch Big Red EDC, but if you watch this and you don't, go check him out. He's the man. Great videos over there, and he's a leader in this community. I do respect him greatly, and I always thank the veterans. And JB, you're one of them, so I thank you, sir, for being a veteran, fellow sailor like me. And thank you to all the active duty guys out there. Be safe, and I will see you all next time. Hopefully it's not another giveaway. I'm going to get struck by lightning here soon. All right, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching.